Welcome to BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favourite YouTuber earns, and click on that little bell icon to get notified on the latest videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on the CPM, and the CPM stands for cost per thousand, and CPM is the amount that advertisers pay to have their ad served against a video 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and for where the people are watching the video from. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand view. Daily revenue, and this is going to be an estimate, so daily views is currently 120,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $4, so daily income is 120,000 multiplied by 0.004 and you get $480. Monthly income is $480 multiplied by 30 and you get $14,440. Annual revenue, and this is going to also be an estimate, so the revenue is $14,400 multiplied by 12 and you get $172,800. Now of course, with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45% and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $172,800 multiplied by 0.55 and you get $95,040 per year just from making YouTube videos. Thank you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos, and let me know the next YouTuber you want me to do next.